Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying prerequisites. Make sure your BMW has remote services active and you're logged into Connected Drive. Next, prepare the home charger and Wi-Fi details so pairing is fast. This saves time and avoids interrupted setup. Open the BMW Connected app on your phone, enable location and Bluetooth, and add the vehicle VIN if it's missing. Once done, navigate to the Charging or Home Charging section in the app to start the pairing process with the charger. You'll now pair the charger. In the app, choose Home Charger, enter your Wi-Fi credentials, and either scan the charger QR code or type the serial number. This ensures secure connection. If firmware updates appear, allow them. Firmware aligns communication and prevents errors. After pairing, set a charging schedule with desired state of charge percentage and planned departure time so charging occurs during off-peak rates. Make sure to choose grid or solar priority, if available, to optimize cost and emissions. Finish by starting a short test charge and confirm the status appears both in the app and on the car's iDrive display. This proves communication works. Then review scheduled events, notification preferences, and energy cost settings so the system charges when you expect. If charging fails, first reboot the charger and router, check Wi-Fi signal and credentials, then attempt to repair. If problems persist, collect app logs and charger serial for BMW or installer support. This speeds diagnosis and resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.